Hi, this is Annette from needlepointers.com. Loop yarn is a new type of yarn appearing in stores. The loops make it easy to knit scarves, cowls, afghans, and pillows without needles. What else can you do with the yarn besides knitting? Today I would like to show you how to make a really simple Easter wreath. If you would like a photo tutorial with step-to-step instructions on how to make this wreath, along with a place to purchase loop yarn, go to our website by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. I am using a 10-inch ring, and I purchased one bundle of loop yarn. Now, I believe this will be enough to cover the 10-inch ring. However, if you make a bigger wreath, you may need more than one bundle. The first thing to do is to squirt some glue onto a paper plate, because I am going to use glue and pins to attach the loop yarn instead of a hot glue gun, because a hot glue gun has the tendency to melt styrofoam and also release fumes. Find the end of the loop yarn, and we're going to attach it with a pin. And I'm putting the pin into the glue right through the base of the loop. And just to play it safe, because this is the beginning, I'm going to put another pin in there. Now, the loop yarn, as you can see, has loops on one side, and it's sort of straight along the other side. So you want to line up the loops so they're all facing in one direction, because you want this straight edge to go along the wreath. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to wrap it around, and then put the bundle of yarn through, and I'm going to try to keep that long straight edge against the wreath. Now, as you're doing this, you might want to, again, lay the yarn out and adjust the loops so that they're all facing in one direction. Let's see what I'm doing. It's a little twisted, so I'm going to untwist it and have all the loops facing up like this. And now it'll be easier for me to keep it straight. So all the loops are facing out, and that straight edge is against the wreath. Now continue to wrap as I'm doing, and when you've wrapped approximately maybe 6 to 8 times, then insert another glue tipped pin to hold it in place. And as you're wrapping, you want to also scrunch up the yarn tight together as you're going along. So now I'm going to continue to wrap my wreath, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I get to the end and how I finish it off. I have the wreath completely covered, And it did just take one bundle of the loop yarn. I only have a little bit left over, so if you're making a 10-inch ring, one bundle definitely is enough, but of course you're going to need more if you make a larger wreath. Now just cut it off and then use a pin. Well, I'm going to use two because I want to make sure that it's secure, and pin it in place. Okay, now you could leave it plain or you can embellish it, and I think I would like to add some things to it. Now when I'm adding those things, I am going to use a hot glue gun because I will be gluing it not to the styrofoam, but I'll actually be gluing it to the yarn. So I have some flowers, and I was thinking of putting like one here, and then maybe something like this on this side, on each side. I thought maybe that would look pretty. And then I have these little Easter egg shaped things, and I might just glue two of those on there also. I think maybe I would like them right around in there, or maybe you could glue them all the way around if you'd like. You know, you could decorate it however you would like to decorate it. So let me begin. I'm going to do the first flower, and all I'm going to do is add some hot glue to the back. And then place it where I want it. I'm going to hot glue this. Hold it in place just a little bit so it stays. Let's do the other one. Let's see, do I want them that way or this way? I think I like it that way. And then the final step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of ribbon so that I can hang it easily. And I'm just going to insert it right at the top here. And what it'll do, because it's a thin ribbon, you won't even see it. It'll go right into where the yarn is, and it'll be invisible. And I'll just tie a knot at the top, and I can hang it with that. You can make it longer or shorter, however you would like it. My Easter hoop yarn wreath is finished. I hope you make a loop yarn wreath yourself, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with friends. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos regularly. And follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for more loop yarn tutorials and projects.